This is Amazon, Assistant Professor, SNS College of Technology in the Department of Mechatronics Engineering. I would like to welcome for another session in the Engineering Drawing Podcast. This is video about the projection of lines in the different perspective views. In the last two videos, we have discussed about the two projections when the line is perpendicular to VP and when the line is parallel to HP. So then another one is when the line is parallel to VP and perpendicular to HP. This is how the projection of points will be carried out in a different sector. Now we are moving towards the next third projection view is how the line, the both is parallel to HP and VP. So how the representation of views of front view and top view will be discussed here. Now the projection will be carried out in the different perspective views and the view representation also changes based on the projection of the lines. For that, I have given one example problem. From that one example problem, the projection of views can be carried out and it will be easily visible through these lines. So now I would like to share the presentation of a solid problem within Solidus software. As I said previously, the Solidus software is most important for the representation of 2D diagrams. It is able to clearly visualize how the projection of views will be carried out. So I have drawn given a problem statement is the line AB is 40 mm long, when the projection of line is parallel to both HP and VP. And similarly, the point A and is 18 mm HP and 22 mm in front of VP. So this is how it has been drawn. So the projection is this plane will be represented as vertical plane, and this plane will be as horizontal plane. So this is how the projection of lines will be carried out. So now I am to draw a line. So I have to draw a parallel line. So when I click this line will be when I paste this like this will be parallel. Similarly, the line also this will be parallel, and from when we see from the top view, this line will be also a parallel. So the parallel views have to be viewed seriously right up. So when we still look from this point, this line will be a parallel right up. When I view from top view, this line is also parallel to this line. So this line will represent both parallel to and horizontal plane and parallel to vertical plane, and sometimes it will be based on the above distance. So as like earlier, like this will be pasted this line above and this line this in front of this line. Similarly, the line has to be drawn like this, and this line will becomes like this, and this line. So when I see this naked eyes, the line has been drawn like this right. So this line is parallel to sometimes above HP and parallel to AP. When we look from this view, the line of AB will be viewed from here. Similarly, when top view, the line of AB will be represented in horizontal view. So now I am going to represent in both directions. When I look from top front view, the line of length AB will be represented in vertical plane from like this. When I look from top view, the line of AB will represent in below or top view. So now I like to move into rotational way right now. So the line, this plane is rotated downwards. So when we downwards, so as I like the 18 mm in front of above HP. So the line is above 18 mm, right? So I have drawn the trace line of 18 above. Similarly, I have to draw the line from this below. It is 22 mm below VP. So I have to draw like this. So when I represent the line of total length 40 mm will be represented like this. Similarly, the line is 40 mm will be represented like this. So these both lines will be represented like this. So this is how the line will be projected. So next one is naming. So naming as I earlier like this will be your A dash. This will be your B dash. When I look from this point, this will be your A. This will be your B. So now I am moving towards the clear view of dimensional structures. When using the two softwares like Smart University, it will represent the size of the line. When you look from down, it also represents lines. The next is the distance between. I have to check the distance between this line to this line. As I said earlier, it is 18 mm above HP. Similarly, from this line to this line, it will represent 22 mm above HP. This is how the projection of lines will be carried out at a particular point. So in this two previous video, we have discussed about the projection of line perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP, and the second is perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP. Now we have seen the third part as the projection of line is parallel to both HP and VP. Hope everybody is able to cope up with the three different structures, how the line has been projected in different ways, and how the top view and front view has been changes over a particular representation views has been discussed in the three videos. Hope everybody's understood something about gain a knowledge on projection of lines. We will catch up in the next video. Till that, bye bye. Thank you. Signing off by Sambasram, Assistant Professor, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore.